Hello guys, welcome back. This is Wizkid last night at Maleek's Berry's album listening party, and he got the whole crowd really happy and excited because everyone wanted to see Wizkid. You know, Wizkid hardly goes out to occasions or ceremonies at all. He's always indoor. Baba is introvert. He doesn't like all those stuff, but Baba still represents Nigeria in the highest possible way. Look at his outfits. This is very, very beautiful. And Wizkid is healthy. He's still fucking on his tease mode. I love that chain. That cross chain is so amazing. So guys, check out the rest of the videos yourself, and don't forget to give me a subscription there at the end of the video, and also a thumbs up or a thumbs down if that's how you feel. I don't mind. And let me know in the comment section what you really like about this video, or if you're on Facebook, and please follow the page. I love you.
This is my city. Not only my city, but all of our city. And it feels great to be back outside. It feels great to have the opportunity to be releasing music again. Every single one of you that showed up today, God bless you. No. God bless you. Amen. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for riding with me all these years. We're back outside from this day forth. Yeah. And I promise you, I'm never taking a break again.
Yes, sir!
Until I retire, hits after hits after hits after hits after hits, baby. Do you get what I'm saying? So big up my whole team. Big up Barry's room. I love my team. Thank you guys so much. Single Secrets is out right now. Single Secrets is out right now. Big up DJ. Got DJ Lodge. Superstar DJ. Make some noise for DJ Lodge. Yeah. So this is my new Single Secrets. My new album, If Only Love Was Enough, is finished right now. So all the people that are asking for new music.
It's coming up.
It's coming up. Everybody say, it's coming up. 1, 2, 3.
It's coming up.
Enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you so much for coming. Shout out Maleek. I want to say something before we read this one. We're going to make sure this one goes #1 on Spotify, yeah? DJ Lush. Play this one again. I thought it was. It's the tequila. We're gonna make sure this goes #1. Spotify listeners. Trust me. New music. We're not taking it easy. The answer is not retiring. We are outside.